I made my way through Carolina, hoping I would find you, washed up somewhere down on the shore. I took the train that runs in Georgia, rolled the dice in Florida, landed somewhere way off the board. I found a pretty little sailboat stranded on the East Coast, older than the wildest she knew. But all I really wanted was you. All I really wanted was you. I bought a ticket out of Tampa, rolled up to Savannah, staying with a stranger I met. I tripped along a rocky shoreline, bade the South a goodbye. I'll miss it, but I'm sure I'll forget. I got a string full of seashells,